Hey guys, we received this Poetic Guardian case for Google Pixel 8a 5G. It's a built-in screen protector and work with a fingerprint ID. It's a two front frame that we will show and a wireless charging with a full body shockproof rust clear cover case. So let's open this and see. So there are two options as I mentioned. So this one is with the screen protector. So there's just an insert that you can use. So one insert is with the screen protector like this one. So this have a inbuilt screen protector from the corners for the camera, all this protected, and from the side cutouts for the speakers, charging, volume, and all the buttons are good. So this is a protective case that will protect your phone. And also, like from the corner, you can see that this is the screen protector insert, and this one the other is insert without the screen protector. So if you don't want to use the screen protector, you can use this insert and put it with your phone inside the silicone top case. So a protective case, and then have this fingerprint ID, as you can see the logo here. It's a nice case.